Hi everyone. Netrunner isn't my only avenue for tinkering and hacking into software. Today I'll be showing you some of the tricks I use to create specifically the title image for my YouTube videos that you have been watching all this while. So firstly, a big shout out to LC Day for maintaining Netrunner DB ever since it's been up again since the cease and desist fiasco. This is a very valuable site for my use. So here I'm going to show you how I automate creating the images for the title image as I mentioned, and maybe you can learn something from it as well. Alright, so you have basically a list of IDs here. So we want to pull all the images onto our hard drive. So first thing, we look at the source code, and there's all the URLs for the images along with their names. Like this one's for the mask, Cyber General. Alright, so we just save them into an ID file, a text file, and with a bit of Perl magic, we can begin pulling the images. Oops. Can begin pulling the images into an image folder, and as you see, it will just propagate on as a bit of error there. But anyway, yeah, it will just propagate, and slowly but surely, all the images will begin filling up the folder. Don't mind the crop photos, crop images, they show up absolutely perfectly. So the next step is to apply some sort of image filter on them. They are pretty plain by themselves, so let's do some gimping while waiting for this to propagate. Unfortunately, this part will probably be done manually with the help of a bit of filtering. But first, we need to change this to RGB. With the help of a drop shadow, we can create a nice filter. And we'll save it back into the same file. That should be done. Yep, it is. You can't see it very clearly, but now there's an aura sort of border around it, as you can see in this photo, and we'll be using it to overlay on the background image later. Alright, so once we're done with gimping, we now have a whole folder of ID images, and I've renamed them to their short form names for easy referencing. So the final step is we want to paste these images onto the standard order and chaos background, and we can easily do this via a piece of Java code that most importantly takes the background image and overlays two cards on top of them. So let's demonstrate the result. Alright, so I can actually input the ID that I'm playing for this match that I'm recording and my opponent's ID. So say I'm playing Laramie Fisk and my opponent's playing Harpsichord. And when we're done with that, you just need to type those two names. Voila! Look at that. This is sweet. So yes, this is basically how I generate my title images for my videos. Hope you found this interesting, and thanks for watching.